I'm John Hollick, CEO of Solarwall Systems, located in Buffalo, New York. Our initial SolarWall team included myself and Dohan Arianer, and we discovered a way to produce power from low temperature heat. It started with SolarWall panels, creating hot air rising up a chimney, and progressed to various attempts to maximize airflow and speed at the turbines. We realized that most renewable technologies are being viewed in isolation. Why not combine them and see if there is any synergy? That's basically what we did, and the results are interesting. PV panels are only 20% efficient and produce 80% heat. Can we use the PV heat to move air? The answer is yes, when mounted on top of solar wall collectors. Adding phase change material, or PCM, at 25 degrees C lowers the PV temperature to increase its efficiency while storing the heat for nighttime. With the chimney built, we now have the ability to catch wind at the top and bring it down to help turn the blades, which are already there. Combining PV farms and wind farms in the same space means that areas that may have been marginal on their own may now be competitive. Wind farms can be closer to the population without the noise and requirement for best wind resources. And PV farms can provide power continuously without batteries. We perceive the market as utilities and larger end users looking for reliable power from solar or wind 24 hours a day, as long as we are competitive with them. This graph illustrates where our hybrid energy tower fits in compared with just PV or wind on its own. The numbers are compelling. By combining existing PV technology and know-how with PV heat recovery, wind downdraft in the same turbines and tower structure, our costs for producing reliable power are lower than either PV or wind on their own. It became apparent that we needed more partners to commercialize our power tower, and that led us to Sandia, University of Arizona Center for Innovation, its Solar Tech Park, and Bill Stein, former military energy research engineer who is experienced in demonstrating new technologies. Sandia will use the prize voucher to perform CFD modeling on our turbines and make recommendations to optimize their performance. We also expect to continue our working relationship with Sandia into the go phase. We are fortunate to be partnering with the team at Arizona Solar Tech Park and to utilize their extensive experience in installing and demonstrating new renewable technologies. Our next steps will be to complete the PPA with Tucson Electric Power and begin the site selection work and design for the installation. Bill Stein, who lives nearby, will oversee the site work for our team. The hybrid energy tower proof of concept works. Our future goals are to complete the demonstration project, have Sandia verify the performance, and then begin to commercialize that technology with a combination of licensing and direct sales, similar to our approach with the SolarWall heating technology. Working together, our team and the combined renewable technologies will be ready to power America.